Hello everybody and welcome back to the channel. Before we start, make sure you hit that subscribe button. Thank you very much for doing that. Okay, so we're going to write two short programs to check if the user has entered anything into the input box. So we're going to create the first example called enter something. And we're going to call this data is going to be equal to input. Message to the user telling them to enter something here. Now we come on to the conditional. So if data is equal to entry, and we say, whoops, print, you must enter something. Else, print, you entered and we're going to format the string here. We'll do it this way. Why not? We'll do it the old-fashioned way. Dot format data. Okay. Now we'll run the program. Enter something. Okay. I'm going to call this enter something 1 because we're going to do enter something 2. So we'll just save it there and we'll run it. Okay, enter something here. I'm going to enter a name, Dave. Okay. Entry is not defined. Let's see. Made a little bit of an error here. I forgot to do entry up here. So entry is equal to empty string. So let's save that and run it again. Okay, let's type in a name, Dave. You entered Dave. Okay, let's run the program again. Let's type in another name, like nothing, just hit return. You must enter something. So there you go, that's working. So let's go on to the second example that I've got for you here. I'm going to call this define enter something 2. Right, so I'm going to call this entry is equal to input, enter something here. Right, if not entry, print you didn't enter anything. Whoops, or else. Print you entered. Again, we're going to format the string here. Dot format. It's going to be entry. Okay, so let's do this. So this is going to be enter something 2. Okay, what we're going to do is we're just going to save that there. We're going to run the program. So again, we're going to enter a name into here. So we're going to enter Dave. Okay. So you entered Dave. It's going well. Okay, let's just enter nothing. Just hit return. You didn't enter anything. So there you go. Bob's your uncle and Fanny is your auntie. I hope you enjoyed that. And remember, if you're not already subscribed, make sure you do that. Very important. Also, before you go, drop me a comment. Just say anything, you know, how's the weather or whatever. Up to you. And make sure you give it a big thumbs up as well. Make sure you switch on the bell notification because you don't want to miss any of the videos. And I will catch you in another one. Bye-bye.